getting pelted by snowballs from Daddy. Going a little slower. You wave? You wave at Mama? You didn't wave at Mama. Whoa. Hannah, careful. His glove came off. Sock came off. You can. Your bottom might get wet. Where's Raffy? Okay. You were about to go for me?
No.
It's on film. Let's get Daddy back. Make some snowballs, Hannah.
Oh, I'll fix it. It's okay. It's okay.
All right, Hannah, get him. Get him while he's down. Get him.
No, not the snowman. No. Let's leave the snowman alone. Hannah, leave that alone.
Oh, all right now.
This is not for fighting. This is a person. You tell her, Joe. Yeah, just like this. Look, like this. And then you start going like that. You smush it together. And then you make a ball. Sure.
I'm going to try to hit you.
Okay, throw it. No, at Daddy. At Daddy. You want to throw it at Daddy. Always at Daddy. Throw it at Daddy.
Go ahead, throw it.
That's what you get for trying to throw at Mama.
She wasn't going to try to throw it at Mama, were you? See, you just take it like this, and you go.
Jerk snore.
All right, here you go.
I'm about to put down this camera.
Here you go, buddy.
I want to do another one, Daddy.
Josie hasn't gotten to do one. There you go.
What's that mean?
Throw it at Daddy. Throw it at Daddy.
Just throw Mommy that. Show Mommy that arm. It's pretty good.
I want to do one, Daddy.
Go get that one that Joseph just threw. It's still in shade right underneath Mommy's legs. See, bro, there's one on
Where is
Mommy's
it?
foot.
Oh, right there.
This one Joseph just threw.
Throw it at Daddy. Throw it at Daddy. I have 2 4-year-olds.